talking to her?
I never, I forgot to ask her.
Are you hiccuping?
She never
You're
wrote me back.
hiccuping. You just bought two.
Yeah, excuse me.
I'm bulbing you.
Thank you. Do you have a phone number for Quinlan?
I want to do that with you. Can I do
I
that?
have a text.
Can I do that?
Here, there you go.
Do you have a text chain to her?
Okay, I think that's enough. I'm gonna try wrapping her up.